Hello everybody, my name's Cam from Etani and we're looking at SimPro today. It's a job management software that the tradies use. It's pretty awesome. Your timesheets in, you can bill, you can do lots of really cool stuff and it tips straight into Xero. We added SimPro into the Etani system for Power BI a couple of months ago. It's super popular. It's right up there after the Xero, QuickBooks and MyObs integrations. I want to show you how easy it is as an accountant to bring it in. So you choose your client, you go to your list of third-party applications for this client, we add SimPro and we hook it up for you. Then we give you live data for that client and I'll show you what you can do with it. Straight out of the box, we just give you some standard reports and dashboards. A couple of just quick examples. Quotes is a really popular one. Weekly or monthly KPIs on making sure you're hitting your quote budget. If you've got a business coach as a trader, they'll be after your quote numbers for sure. Just down the side here, this is the point of Power BI. We can slice this up however we want. So let's just look at January. We get an immediate tracking of how we're going with quotes. 149K in the system, 41 quotes out there. So far, 61% have been accepted. So something I'll hear is people say, well, we can just dump quotes out of SimPro into Excel. Are you crazy? Why would you be doing that? What a waste of your time. This is automated, you don't have to do it. So you're saying to me every month or every week, you manually dump data into Excel and play around with it. We, as Australia, have got to throw repetitive jobs in the bin. We are too expensive, it's all got to go automated. We've got to automate things and use our head and move forward with the analysis of the information. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. I just want to show you quotes and sales. There's so much fun stuff in SimPro. Timesheets, find out if your tradies staff are actually doing what they're supposed to be doing. Are they writing up? Are they writing on? Slicing it by client, finding out your margins on your expenditure outside of your staff. Now it wouldn't be me if I didn't end by turning to mobile. You know I love mobile. So just showing that same quote KPI on mobile, on the go information. I love mobile and I'm going to keep singing it. Here's the dashboard if we open it up. So same stuff, dollars quotes in the pipeline for this month, total quotes, quotes accepted, average quotes, the breakdown of your quotes. They're tradies. Where do you think they're going to look at this? On the desktop. They're on the road. They're going to look at it on the phone. This is where we've got to be, mobile. The momentum in Power BI is crazy and it is so obvious why. Because you can create custom dashboards. Custom work adds value. So you want to learn more? The 21st of February I'm running a webinar giving you a full background on Power BI, how you scale it in your accounting firms. Sign up, it's in the links below.